Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
iCloud notifications can interrupt work and reduce battery life during focused use. They come as banners, sounds, and lock screen badges across devices. You do not have to disable iCloud entirely to stop those interruptions. Adjusting notification settings lets backups and sync continue while silencing alerts. This approach keeps important processes running and reduces distraction by controlling only the alert layer. The steps work for iOS 16 and iOS 17. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Notifications to view apps. Scroll to iCloud, Files, or Related Entries and tap the name to open Controls. Toggle off Allow notifications to stop banners, sounds, and lock screen badges immediately. To keep alerts but reduce interruptions, enable Scheduled Summary and choose delivery times. You can also set Deliver quietly to route alerts only to Notification Center. Confirm changes by locking and unlocking your phone to verify banners no longer appear. Open Settings, tap your name, then choose iCloud to see Services list. Toggle off iCloud Drive or specific app syncing to stop file change and upload banners. For Mail and Calendar, open each app's notification settings and disable alerts or set them to deliver quietly. If needed, sign out of a device under Settings your name Sign Out to cut notifications from that device. Test by creating a file or calendar event and confirming no banners or sounds appear afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.